Let's see what happens when turquoise meets sky blue and magenta enters the mix. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas starting with a split base of turquoise and sky blue. I want this piece to feel bright, layered, and full of movement. Turquoise feels refreshing and open. Sky blue brings softness. Together they create space. So let's see when we introduce magenta into cool tones and create contrast that pulls the eye in. That's what I'm exploring here. Balance between calm and intensity. A split base creates natural variation before the design even begins. Instead of one flat color, you're building contrast underneath your composition. This will help the blowout and the tilt become more dynamic because the background already has dimension. Turquoise blue has this immediate sense of openness to it. It sits between blue and green, so it carries the calm clarity of blue and just a touch of that grounding energy of green. The results feel expansive, almost like looking at clear water under an open sky. Historically, turquoise has been treasured for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used it in jewelry and sacred adornments as a symbol of protection. In Persian architecture, turquoise tones were used on domes to mirror the sky and represent heaven on earth. And in many Native American traditions, turquoise was considered a sacred stone that connected the earth and the heavens. This painting, turquoise blue, isn't just another layer, it becomes the atmosphere. It sets the tone and keeps everything feeling open, even as the other colors move and expand around it. Now I'm adding stacked puddles in the center using silver, deep magenta, phthalo blue, and sky blue. Stacked puddles allow colors to interact vertically before expanding outward. Now with the metallic paints, especially silver, you won't really see their full effects while this paint is still wet. That's one of the beautiful surprises of working with metallics. The paint transforms twice, once during the pour and again after it dries. So be sure to stay until the end to see how the metallic finish develops and how the light changes the surface. I'm using the blow dryer to blow out these puddles gently. I'm watching how the silver catches light and how the magenta spreads across the cool blues. This is where movement begins to define the composition. Now I'm adding more stacked puddles, this time using dark magenta, phthalo blue, and turquoise. Sometimes the first blowout softens things too much, so I reintroduce contrast to bring structure back. Fluid art is often about adjusting in layers. I'm blowing these new puddles outward, letting them merge into the previous layers while still maintaining separation where I want it. Notice how magenta cuts across the cool tones instead of blending completely. Now I'm using my finger to glide diagonally across the canvas from one side to the other. This angle movement draws the eye across the painting instead of just up and down. A diagonal line adds energy and direction to an abstract piece. As everything settles, you can really see the contrast taking shape. The darker tones, that deep magenta and phthalo blue, brings richness and intensity into the center. They anchor the composition and gives it weight. Against them, the light split background of sky blue and turquoise blue keeps the paint open and breathable. Those cooler, brighter tones prevent the darker colors from feeling heavy. It's that push and pull between dark and light that gives this piece its character. The bold center holds your attention, while the airy background allows the eye to move freely across the canvas. That contrast is what makes the composition feel alive instead of flat. Turquoise and sky blue creates the foundation, while magenta and phthalo blue brings bold contrast. Diagonal glide ties it all together and gives this piece motion. This is what I love about split base pours. You begin with structure, layer, and contrast, and let movement guide the rest. If you enjoyed creating this with me, like and subscribe. Stay creative and remember to keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.